Hi, Joline. It's 1,623 days into our relationship since I told you I loved you and you officially became my girlfriend. It's crazy to think that today is our wedding day. We're here to finally say I do, to bond our relationship, and to have your kids become mine. I love you, and I cannot wait for this day.
This life's a mystery, a roller coaster ride. Not much is guaranteed, but I'm glad you're by my side. And I know that you hold my heart away. I know there's one thing that will never change. You're my everything, my everyday.
2018, can y'all remember that far back? Their story really began then. Joline, new mom, starting her career at the Genoa Fitness Center. And there was quite a regular member attending that fitness center. This guy right here. Actually, now I know why he went. It really wasn't fitness. And those small conversations led to something really special. This was the beginning of one of those Hallmark movies when they come back together, and it is not new, it's continued.
We love Joline, right? And we are going to be there for you throughout your marriage, and you are such a good-hearted human being. So thank you for being so kind to all of us and having us all in your wedding.
Love you.
Love you.
Love all of you. Hi, Dev. I'm so excited right now. I'm gonna cry just talking about it. I can't wait to walk up the aisle and see you. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for choosing us. And it's gonna be a beautiful ride.
No matter where we run or where we find our home, we'll take it as it comes. Together we can grow. And you know that I hold your heart always. We know there's one thing that will never change. You're my everything.
I remember the very first time I ever met you. I was at the gym with my dad. You were working your very first day at the gym. As soon as I saw you, I knew there was something special about you, the way you were smiling, the way you carried yourself, the awesome personality that you had. The only problem was you were married at that time. So
She invited Devon to go to dinner with her one night. These two came together whole. They weren't broken. They had had life experiences. They had had growth. They had experienced loss. They did not come together to fix each other. They came together to grow together in a partnership.
You're my everything, my everyday.
When Devon took that chance, he was saying yes to her and yes to all of her. There are two beautiful souls that were part of that special package, and Devon chose it all. So today isn't about just two people making a promise, it's about four people making a choice to become a family, and the children are the foundation on which we're growing exactly that.
I just want to say thank you for choosing me and letting me into your life, not only yours, but the kids' lives as well. With Noah and Tegan, I know it's not easy to open your heart back up and let anybody back into your life, but I greatly appreciate that.
You and I have built a strong foundation in friendship, fitness, trust, respect, and ultimately communication. You mean everything, and the fact that you not only chose me but chose the kids I give you so much respect. I love you that much more for that. I love you.
Love you. I kiss her.
Not yet.
The circle has no beginning and no end, just like the commitment you're making today. I'm going to step aside for just a moment. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Devon, you can kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, Devon and Joline Tiarina.
Tried so hard not to play the fool. Do you know that you're beautiful? time, but little by little, yeah, we'll get it right. Oh, I never thought I could get the chance to be here with you. So crazy fools to left feet, step by step, heartbeat by beat. So come and take my hand.
All right, first off, I just want to thank everybody for coming and taking part in our beautiful day. For those of you that don't know, we have a donation table over there for our nonprofit that Tyler, myself, Joline, and Bree have all started together. Something we have in common is all four of us have lost our dads and stepdad from suicide, cancer, and terminal illness. So we started a foundation called InstaWish to give back to terminally ill parents to have one final meaningful last wish. So if anyone is willing to donate, I've seen quite a few of you have, so thank you. Thank you guys for being here again.
Thank you.
When life's hard, when hope is real, when what was broken starts to heal. Oh, you've been changing me from flying high to breaking falls. Learning money don't mean that you have it all. Oh, you've been changing me. Just take some time, but little by little, yeah, we'll get it right.
Devon and Joline are some very important people in Tyler and I's lives. The man that you have become throughout the years of knowing you has just been wonderful. I have to say, you've grown a lot. He introduced us to Joline in his life. It's just been nothing but fun times and like genuine people. And so I'm just really grateful to have been able to meet Joline because she's one of the most kind-hearted souls that I've ever met. I truly do look up to you with how like you value your family and how you value Devon and how you see him, and it's just like very inspiring. So it's really refreshing to have just like a genuine soul in my life. So thanks, Joline. Love you.
After our first few encounters, we truly became brothers. I heard something a couple weeks ago I actually shared with Devon that it's not just about the destination in life. It's not even just about the journey. It's about who you become and the people that you endure along the way.
Get the chance to be here with you. So crazy fools to left feet, step by step, heartbeat by beat. Life's a song, love's a dance. So come and take my hand.
This guy is an optimist by nature every single day, and he's chosen life of freedom, Insta-Shredders for life. So every day we're dreaming, we're thinking big, and we're just living our best lives with the people that we care about the most. So proud of you. Cannot wait to share so many memories with you guys alongside everyone else. Cheers to you. Love you guys.